Hi there. Do you have a car with metal window trims like this guy over here? Over some time, under bad weather conditions, it's probably going to look something like this. Oxidations, water stains, seems pretty much neglected, right? So today I'm going to show you how I restore it and how I protect it, so stay tuned. Okay, before I begin, I just want to show you the things that I'll be using today. Number one, the pneumatic polisher, so that I can use my 2-inch wool with my 2-inch backing plate. Also, the 02A Metal Polish Abrasive. This is to restore it. Of course, masking tape is important to tape up the edges, and so that I will not hit things that I don't want to hit. Alright, restore. And then moving on to protection, I'll clean up the surface. Apply 02 absolute metal coating with applicators and microfibers. Okay, step number one, masking. I would mask something like this. Let me share some key points with you. Open the door. Make sure you tape the inside, especially this corner right here. Alright, you want to tape it like this. Okay, and then you want to form a thicker line, the additional tape line, so that when you polish, it doesn't hit the paint. Alright, and remember to press it down firmly. You want to close all the rubber seams. You don't want any of the polish or the pad to hit the rubber seams. Alright, and for this part, you can just make a bigger line so that when you polish here, it doesn't really hit the paintwork. So yeah, this is how I would mask before I polish. Okay, so open the cap. Alright. Give it a good shake. It's a little bit liquidy, but no problem. Okay, there isn't an actual setting for this machine. Heat comes from high pressure or low pressure, so I would say this is medium pressure. Okay, and we're done. Okay, so this is before. On the right hand side, I'll pan it down. You will see that it's already cleared up. Just one simple, easy step. Alright, moving on, moving down. All done. And yeah, lower part not polished. So just to show you more 50-50. Alright. Okay, now that we are done with polishing, I'll proceed to applying the coating to protect it. So I'll be using the pre-coating cleaner, okay? Just to clean the surface, make sure there's no oils, no dust, no anything. Alright. Okay, then I'll get the coating with the cotton applicator. Okay, just gently, lightly just wet the applicator and apply. Well, there isn't much technique here as long as you just want to keep it even. Alright. Okay. Let it sit for a while, about 3 to 5 minutes, and we'll wipe it. Okay, so 3 minutes have passed. I'll wipe it. Okay, here's a tip. If this is not 100%, how to put it, if it's not 100% reflective, you can actually don't wipe it, just leave the coating on so it's thicker. But if it's like really chrome, really reflective, then you can wipe it. So wiping is just easy. Just push it down. Alright. It's sort of like even it out a little bit. Okay, and there you go. So there you go, a few simple steps to restore and protect metal window trims like that. Alright, that's all I got for you today. If you like this video, just give us a like button and remember to subscribe for more tips coming your way. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.